Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into the top 5 heat guns of the year, tools that combine power, precision, and versatility to get the job done right. Whether you're a seasoned professional or a DIY enthusiast, this video will help you find the perfect hot air gun for your needs. From industrial strength to compact designs, we've got something for everyone. So let's get started. Number 5. 2,000-watt industrial digital hot air gun. The 2,000-watt industrial digital hot air gun is built with a durable stainless steel body, making it resistant to staining and corrosion. It's also impact resistant, ensuring that it can handle tough jobs without compromising on performance. The heat gun features a high-quality heating element that allows for extended use, and its digital display provides precise temperature control. The temperature range is an impressive 60 to 650 degrees Celsius, which means you can tackle a wide variety of tasks with ease. Performance-wise, this heat gun is a powerhouse. It offers strong power with ultra-low noise, ensuring that you get the job done efficiently without disturbing your workspace. The 2-speed temperature adjustment allows you to choose between different heat settings, while the stepless temperature regulation lets you fine-tune the heat to your exact needs. The digital display not only shows the current temperature, but also lets you adjust the wind speed, giving you full control over the heat application. Plus, the intelligent digital display and double heating wire contribute to energy saving and improved performance. It's portable and space-saving, making it easy to store and transport. Whether you're working on a small DIY project or a larger professional task, the included accessories like various nozzles make it versatile and adaptable. Safety is a top priority with this heat gun. It's designed with anti-shock and anti-fall features to ensure safe operation. The impact-resistant body and smart design help prevent accidents and make it a reliable tool for both amateurs and professionals. The 2,000-watt industrial digital hot air gun is a top choice for anyone needing a powerful and reliable heat tool. Its robust design, adjustable temperature and wind speed settings, and practical features make it an excellent addition to your toolkit. Number 4. JCD Digital Display Heat Gun. The JCD Heat Gun is a sleek, portable handheld device with a digital LED display. This display makes it super easy to monitor and adjust your settings. With controls right at your fingertips, you can quickly set the airflow and temperature to suit your specific needs. The heat gun comes with a high-quality silicone body that not only ensures excellent heat dissipation, but also extends the service life of the tool. The green line design adds a touch of style while maintaining functionality and durability. The JCD heat gun packs a punch with its 750-watt output power. It offers a temperature range from 100 degrees Celsius to 480 degrees Celsius. The heat gun's airflow reaches up to 150 liters per minute, giving you ample power for tasks like soldering, welding, and even DIY projects. The keyboard adjustment allows you to control the airflow and temperature effortlessly, ensuring you get the exact performance you need. It comes with 3 different types of nozzles, large, medium, and small, making it adaptable for various applications. The easy replacement process means you can switch between nozzles in no time. Its ergonomic design makes it easy to handle, even during extended use. The brushless fan ensures quiet operation and efficient cooling. Plus, its compact size makes it easy to transport and store, whether you're working at home or on the go. Number 3. Temperatures Adjustable Mini Hot Air Gun. The Temperatures Adjustable Mini Hot Air Gun features a sleek and durable build, with a stainless steel air duct that resists high temperatures, corrosion, and acid. It's built to last tea and looks great with its bright, rust-resistant surface. The heat gun's construction also includes a nylon and stainless steel sheath, enhancing its resistance to high temperatures and corrosion. The ergonomic handle and high-quality press switch ensure a comfortable grip and long-lasting performance. This mini heat gun is a powerhouse. It boasts a power consumption of 2,000 watt and offers a temperature range from 60 degrees Celsius to 650 degrees Celsius. With its turbocharged turbine structure, it provides fast wind speed and efficient heat application. The rear knob allows for precise temperature regulation, while the Blu-ray LCD display makes it easy to monitor and adjust settings. Whether you need a gentle heat or a more intense blast, you'll find the control you need with its key temperature regulation mode. One of the standout features of this heat gun is its 10-second protection function. When you adjust to the off gear, the air motor continues to run for 10 seconds to expel any remaining high-temperature gas. Another unique feature is the switchable wind speed settings. Depending on your needs, you can choose different air volumes. This mini heat gun is versatile and comes with 4 different nozzles for various applications. Whether you're working on shrink wrapping, welding, or other tasks, these nozzles make it easy to adapt the tool to your project needs. Number 2. Digital Display Electric Hot Air Gun. This heat gun boasts a sleek, industrial look with a digital display that makes adjusting temperatures a breeze. The large screen provides a clear view of the temperature settings, allowing for precise control. It's built with high-quality metal and plastics, ensuring durability and reliable performance. Plus, the heat gun features a high-temperature resistant heat insulation shield and a dust-proof inlet, making it safe and long-lasting. When it comes to performance, the Digital Display Electric Hot Air Gun truly shines. With a power output of 2,000 watt, it delivers strong, stable heat for various applications. Whether you're soldering, welding PVC, shaping materials, or stripping paint, this heat gun handles it all with ease. The temperature range is from 60 degrees Celsius to 600 degrees Celsius, which can be easily adjusted using the stepless temperature control knob. This wide range and precise control make it perfect for a multitude of tasks. One of the standout features is the double turbine blade design for fast air outlet. The heat gun offers 2-speed wind speed regulation, allowing you to choose between 350 liter per minute and 500 liter per minute of air volume, depending on your needs. This flexibility ensures you can tackle any project, whether you need a gentle breeze or a strong blast of hot air. The built-in high-temperature resistant heat insulation shield and dust-proof inlet help protect both the tool and the user. It also includes a hanging loop for convenient storage when not in use. The versatility of this heat gun is impressive. It's ideal for a wide range of applications, including soldering electronic components, welding and shaping plastics, drying and shrink-fitting materials, and even stripping paint. Whether you're working on a complex project or a simple repair, this heat gun provides the power and control you need to get the job done efficiently. Number 1. Yofidra Digital Hot Air Gun. The Yofidra Digital Hot Air Gun boasts a sleek, cordless design that offers maximum flexibility and convenience. With a robust 2,500 watt power output, this heat gun is built for efficiency and performance. It features a high-grade construction with a comfortable handle and intuitive controls. The LED temperature display ensures you can easily monitor and adjust the heat settings with precision. One of the standout features of this heat gun is its impressive temperature range. It offers 2 adjustable temperature settings, from 300 degrees Celsius to 550 degrees Celsius in high gear, and from 50 degrees Celsius to 300 degrees Celsius in low gear. This versatility makes it perfect for a variety of applications, whether you need gentle heat or intense high temperatures. The wind speed can be adjusted through 6 different gears, providing you with control over airflow from 300 liter per minute at low gear to 550 liter per minute at high gear. This means you can tailor the airflow to suit any project, from delicate tasks to heavy-duty work. Safety is a top priority with the Yofidra Digital Hot Air Gun. It features a safety lock that requires you to press and hold to unlock the trigger. Once activated, press the round lock button, and the gun will continue to operate without needing to keep the lock engaged. The Yofidra Hot Air Gun comes with 2 versatile nozzles. The flat nozzle is perfect for removing paint from large surfaces with its focused high-temperature airflow. On the other hand, the curved nozzle provides even heating, making it ideal for tasks like defrosting and heat-shrinking cables. This heat gun is incredibly versatile and can handle a wide range of applications, including car filming, softening wires, shrinking plastic films, installing electronic components, dissolving pipes, removing old paint, and even defrosting. And there you have it, the 5 best heat guns of 2024. Each one brings something unique to the table, whether it's advanced temperature controls, powerful performance, or user-friendly features. If any of these heat guns caught your eye, be sure to check out the links in the description below for more details and to grab the best deals. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful, and subscribe to our channel for more tool reviews and tips. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next video. Happy crafting and repairing.